Hi, I'm Mardi from Preston Panels. Today you're going to see a feature wall installation using the Carnivale pattern.
The panels we are using have been pre-cut in our workshop. This is a service we can provide. We recommend to paint a small strip of the same colour as your panels around the perimeter of the wall. This is in case the panels do not finish exactly to the edges. We have started the panels in the middle of the wall to make it more pleasing to the eye, so measure and mark a line in the centre of the wall as a starting point. Apply a generous amount of either liquid nails or stud adhesive to your panel. Then line up the centre of the panel with the centre line and drill and pop rivet along the top edge only until the next panel goes into place. When cutting holes for power points and light fittings, measure precisely and drill with a hole saw. When placing the panel into position, gently pull the electrical wires through. Gently slide the next panel under the existing panel, making sure the overlap and underlap fit correctly before drilling and pop riveting in place. Continue this process with the rest of the wall. Use some touch-up paint to paint the tops of the pop rivets to give you a professional finish. Our panels can transform any room in a matter of a few hours, creating a wow factor.